Hey everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens Quad Break number 129, 13-14 UD Ultimate. Last thing that ended in the break was the Edmonton Oilers on December 3rd at 7:28 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. To our current day time, click refresh. It's currently Friday, December 4th at 12:19 a.m. Eastern Time. For anybody that hasn't reached our break page, really appreciate you did. Out there and scroll down and see everything else in the queue, which is posted right there. Are live on Breakers TV here. 129. And our serial numbers tonight are NE221155852376601985 and 1060. 1985. So that's the one of the middle ones. We got 1060. So those are two bottom. 5852. 3760. Looks like a little different order there. Boxes might have fell down or something off. Sorting table back there. Sailed. So turn you guys around here. Our numbers one more time, and we'll get started. So, good luck, guys. So, 1985, box number 1. So, here we go, guys. So we got base card of Phil Kessel out of 499 with the Maple Leafs. Next one is a ultimate rookie of Ryan Strome, 305 of 499. The New York Islanders. And we have ourselves a signature masterpiece for the Montreal Canadiens of Brendan Gallagher. Going out to Montreal. Gallagher. And the dual rookie jersey of Alexander Barkov for the Florida Panthers. Barkov. Box 2, 1060. Box 2, we got base of Tuukka Rask out of 499 for the Boston Bruins. Our rookie hit is the ultimate rookie of Sammy Vatanen, 484 of 499. The Anaheim Ducks. Sammy Vatanen. Wait for redemption to the back here. And our next hit is a dual jersey ultimate rookie of Alex Killorn and Tyler Johnson, number 4 of 75. The Tampa Bay Lightning. Flip our redemption around. Our redemption is for a Ultimate Collection rookie auto number 2/299 for the LA Kings. Whoever has the LA Kings, we can eat a message with the code if you like. 5852. Box number 3 here. Base card of Alex Steen, 499 for the St. Louis Blues. Ultimate rookie of Eric Hartzell, 24 of 499. Pittsburgh Penguins. And the ultimate rookie autograph, number 2 of 299 of Jacob Trouba. The Winnipeg Jets. Jacob Trouba, Jets. Ultimate rookie dual jersey of Justin Fontaine. Going out to the Minnesota Wild on this one. Final box. Hoping for a big hit here. I know we 376 round. I know we got through 2 or potential case hits yesterday for this one. Mr. Ultimate Brick is pretty stacked. So here we go, guys. Welcome, final pack. Patch to finish it up. So we got base card of Nicholas Backstrom, 21, $4.99 for the Caps. Second hit, Ultimate Rookie of Quinn Howden, number 205 of $4.99. The Preds, or sorry, the Panthers, sorry. Florida, Quinn Howden. And the next one is the Ultimate Signatures veteran / legend of Doug Wilson. The Chicago Blackhawks on this one. And finishing up the break, the 3-color debut threads patch of Damian Brunner, 65 of 100. The New Jersey Devils. So there we have it, guys. So 2 boxes of games tomorrow, 4 boxes of Ultimate, and first box of Cup out of a brand new case.